Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Aquarius. And today we'll be picking one card for the message from your person and one card from the fortune cookie. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Aquarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we will see what are these cards. We have Six of Sons, Lovers in reverse, and Two of Sons. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are in a very, you are in a very confident state today. You are confident about the way you handle your circumstance, confident about your strengths and skills, and you are happy for the way things are in your position in your life today. Maybe you are in an important position in life, someone maybe a team leader or a manager, CEO, and you try to control people and you have particular views or ideals about certain circumstances, and you try to do things your way because you believe that that is the reason for your success. But people may see you as someone really stubborn, someone a quick tempered person, not willing to adjust, not willing to be flexible. So that may cause some difficulties even in your relationship. This person you love, they may see you as a very short tempered and a stubborn person, arguing with them for each and everything, because maybe it may be your energy or their energy. Maybe you believe that you are doing things in the right way, or maybe this person believes that they are doing things the right way, and so they want to impose their ideas or their suggestions on you. So some kind of dominance is there in this relationship, leading to a lot of problems, a lot of stressful circumstances today in your life. And maybe because of this because of this clash of ego, we can say, clash of ideas, or maybe both of you are in different stages of understanding. That may be the reason for some difficulties or uncertainty in this relationship. But Aquarius, I also see that maybe these problems, these a clash of ideas or difference of opinion may change in time. So at the right time, everything will begin to fall into place. That is also what I see. So there is a chance these quarrels, these arguments may settle and everything will fall into place. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Pappus. So with this card in your circumstance today, maybe this person is here with you in this relationship, or what to say, they are someone truly concerned about you. They are loyal, trustworthy, and they are a very knowledgeable person. So it may be this person you love, or it may be someone in your life, in your personal life. It may be a good friend of yours. They are really trustworthy. They are a very wise person, and this person is helping you with their knowledge, suggestions, and they are a very kind and compassionate person, and they are here helping you to deal with your situation with their strength and purity, pure thoughts. So they have good intentions towards you, and if this person suggests you certain things, you can listen to them. So it may be your person you love, or it may be someone in your life helping you out in this relationship. So if they are suggesting certain things, you can listen to them, Aquarius. So for your career, let's see what is the card. We have Prophetess of Moons. Again, here we have someone telling you what to do or what will be the right thing to do. It may be your sibling, mentor, or a good friend. It may be the same person we were talking about. So this person is a very trustworthy person, or it may be this person you love. Maybe they are giving you certain ideas, and maybe if you had some doubt that whether they are loyal to you or whether they are honest, you can be sure that they are someone really honest, trustworthy, and reliable. So whatever problems may be there, because you want to impose your ideas on them, maybe sometimes you can listen to their ideas because they are also wise in some ways, and you can believe in this person. They are a loyal, trustworthy, and reliable. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship and career. So let's see what is the message from your person today. We picked one card. I just got caught up in the moment. So maybe this person has something to deal with in their life. That may be the reason they are not focusing on this relationship, maybe, or they are looking like quite distanced right now, because they are caught up in something, maybe in their work or something else has come up. So let's see what is the fortune cookie for you all today, Aquarius. Your lucky inspiration: reinvent yourself. A transformation is taking place. Enjoy a new lease of life. So it just means that there are huge changes happening today in your life, Aquarius, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.